Mr. Pablo and Fluffy here, talking to you about volcanoes. Last week we read about volcanoes, and this week let's go over some really important vocabulary that you need to know if you are going to talk about volcanoes or you are going to create your own illustration with labels of volcanoes. Hint, hint, that's what I'm going to have you do at the end of this lesson. So let's take a look at what I put together, and Fluffy helped out for you about volcanoes.
Crust, mantle, plate, force, gas, vent, heat, pressure, eruption.
Go draw your own volcano and use some of the vocabulary to label parts of your volcano. I'll show you an example next. Take a picture of it, upload it, do it online somehow, send it to me via Seesaw, and I'll look forward to seeing your volcano.